Imagine sipping your morning coffee and instead of jitters, anxiety, and a sudden energy crash, you feel calm, focused, and energized for hours. What if I told you this isn't just fantasy, but reality, thanks to something called mushroom coffee? Yes, it sounds unusual, but this ancient remedy has become a modern superfood. And today, we're going to uncover the incredible health benefits behind it. Welcome back to Envelouche, the channel where wellness meets simplicity and where we uncover secrets to keep your body healthy, glowing, and strong. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss powerful health tips and remedies that can change your life naturally. Now, let's dive deep into today's fascinating topic, mushroom coffee. What is it? Why has it become so popular? And most importantly, what does it do to your body when you make it a part of your daily routine? Stick with me till the end because some of these benefits might just surprise you. Section 1. What is mushroom coffee? Brief history, used in traditional Chinese medicine and World War II Finland as a coffee alternative. Made by blending regular coffee with powdered medicinal mushrooms like reishi, lion's mane, cordyceps, and chaga. Doesn't taste like mushrooms, has an earthy, rich coffee flavor. Purpose: reduce side effects of caffeine while adding unique health benefits. Section 2. Nutritional profile of mushroom coffee. Rich in antioxidants, protects against free radicals, contains polysaccharides, beta-glucans, triterpenes, low in caffeine, less jitters, vitamins, B-complex, vitamin D, minerals like potassium, selenium, magnesium. Section 3. Health benefits of mushroom coffee, detailed. Boosts brain function and focus, lion's mane, improves memory and concentration, stimulates nerve growth factor, NGF, protects against Alzheimer's and dementia, real-life example, students and professionals using it for focus, supports immune system, chaga, reishi, beta-glucans stimulate white blood cells, antiviral, antibacterial properties, protects during cold and flu season, reduces stress and anxiety, reishi, the mushroom of immortality, adaptogen properties, balances cortisol, stress hormone, promotes better sleep, enhances physical performance, cordyceps, increases oxygen uptake in muscles, improves stamina, endurance, athletic performance, used by athletes historically, supports gut health, prebiotic properties, feeds good bacteria, improves digestion and nutrient absorption, reduces bloating, balances energy levels. Lower caffeine means no jitters or crash, sustained calm energy throughout the day. Protects against chronic diseases. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, lowers risk of cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Supports heart health, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, improves circulation, protects blood vessels. Helps with weight management, regulates metabolism, reduces cravings, fiber helps satiety. Improves sleep and relaxation. Reishi and adaptogens calm the nervous system, promotes deep, restful sleep. Section 4. Comparing mushroom coffee versus regular coffee. Less caffeine, fewer side effects like jitters, anxiety, insomnia. More nutrients and antioxidants. Gentle on stomach. Long-lasting energy. Section 5. Possible side effects and precautions. Safe for most people, but can interact with blood-thinning meds. Not ideal for pregnant or breastfeeding women without doctor approval. May cause mild digestive issues at first. Section 6. How to use mushroom coffee. Best times to drink. How to prepare, instant mixes, brewing, DIY with mushroom powder, recommended daily intake. So, is mushroom coffee worth the hype? Absolutely. From boosting your brain power and strengthening your immune system to giving you calm, sustained energy, this ancient remedy has proven itself as one of the most powerful health drinks of our time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Envelouche for more detailed guides on health, skincare, and wellness. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried mushroom coffee? And if so, what was your experience like? I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, take care of your health, nourish your body naturally, and remember, true beauty always begins from the inside out.